Imagine stepping into a room that transports you to a fairy tale, where the elegance of a princess reigns. As children, we were captivated by the allure of princesses and their enchanting palaces. Now that magic can be brought into our homes with Princess Design. Now embark on a journey to create your very own princess-themed decor. Princess Design is more than just pink and frills. It's a blend of elegance, charm, and a dash of magic. Imagine delicate furniture pieces, luxurious fabrics, and pastel color palettes. Yes, Princess Design is all about these. With the right elements, you can transform any room into a royal sanctuary. Turning your room into a princess-themed space requires careful planning and selection. Start by visualizing your space's layout, considering the room's size and shape. Next, choose furniture pieces that echo the elegance and charm of a fairy tale castle. A regal bed or a vintage vanity might be just the thing. Decor elements play a crucial role too, from plush rugs to gilded mirrors. Remember, each piece should contribute to the overall princess aesthetic. A well-planned design ensures a harmonious blend of elements that brings the princess theme to life. Creating a princess-themed decor is an exciting journey filled with colors, textures, and a sprinkle of magic. From understanding the key features of Princess Design, like its typical color palettes, to planning your space with suitable furniture and decor elements, we've covered it all in this video. Remember the importance of luxurious fabrics and surfaces, and the role of lighting and accessories in creating that fairy tale ambiance. And don't forget, avoid overcrowding and maintain elegance. Embrace your inner princess and transform your space into a fairy tale haven.